Welcome to our budgeting series. Today we're exploring one of the most fundamental skills in personal finance, tracking your spending. Understanding where your money goes is the foundation of financial success. Many people struggle with money management simply because they don't know their spending patterns. By the end of this video, you'll have practical tools and methods to take control of your finances and make informed decisions about your money. Tracking your spending serves two critical purposes. First, it helps you discover patterns in your financial behavior. You might be surprised to learn that small daily purchases like coffee or lunch add up to hundreds of dollars monthly. Second, it gives you better control over your financial decisions. When you know exactly where your money is going, you can make conscious choices about what to cut back on and what to prioritize. This awareness is the first step toward building wealth and achieving your financial goals. There are several ways to track your spending, starting with manual methods. The traditional pen and paper approach involves writing down every expense in a notebook. This method is simple, requires no technology, and helps you stay mindful of each purchase. Alternatively, you can use spreadsheets like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Spreadsheets allow you to create categories, calculate totals automatically, and analyze your spending trends over time. Both methods require discipline, but give you complete control over how you organize your financial information. A basic expense tracking spreadsheet needs 4 essential columns. Date helps you see when expenses occur and identify timing patterns. Description records what you purchased, making it easy to remember and review later. Category groups similar expenses together, such as food, transportation, or entertainment. Amount tracks how much you spend on each item. Start by recording every transaction, no matter how small. At the end of each week or month, review your categories to see where most of your money is going. This simple system provides powerful insights into your spending habits. Digital apps can automate much of the tracking process. Mint is a popular free option that connects to your bank accounts and automatically categorizes transactions. You Need a Budget, or YNAB, is a premium service focused on budgeting and spending control. PocketGuard offers a freemium model and specializes in preventing overspending by showing how much money you have available after bills and savings. These apps sync across devices, send alerts, and provide detailed reports. Choose an app based on your needs, budget, and comfort level with sharing financial data. Your monthly bank statements are goldmines of spending information. Download or print your statements and go through each transaction methodically. Look for patterns like frequent small purchases that add up, recurring subscriptions you might have forgotten about, and unusual or unexpected charges. Create categories as you review and assign each transaction to a category. This method works well if you primarily use cards for purchases. However, it won't capture cash transactions, so you'll need to track those separately. Regular statement analysis helps you spot trends and identify areas for improvement. Organizing expenses into categories helps identify spending patterns. Essential needs include housing and utilities, food and groceries, transportation costs, and healthcare expenses. These are your fixed and necessary costs that you must pay to maintain your basic standard of living. Lifestyle wants include entertainment like movies and streaming services, shopping for clothes and non-essentials, travel and vacation expenses, and dining out at restaurants. Understanding the difference between needs and wants helps you prioritize spending and identify areas where you can potentially cut back when needed. Remember these 2 essential points as you begin tracking your spending. First, choose a method that fits your lifestyle and preferences. Whether it's pen and paper, spreadsheets, apps, or bank statement analysis, the best system is the one you'll actually use consistently. Second, be consistent with your daily tracking habits. Success comes from recording expenses regularly, not perfectly. Start small, even if you only track for 1 week initially. The insights you gain will motivate you to continue. Taking control of your spending is the foundation for achieving your financial goals and building long-term wealth.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.